Представьте, вы сидите в кафе в незнакомом городе. За соседним столиком разговаривают двое мужчин, и вдруг вы слышите свое имя, потом название вашего отеля, а затем слова key, suitcase, tonight и don't tell her. Слушайте внимательно и тренируйте понимание английского на слух. После каждой части дается перевод и одна полезная фраза. Ну что ж, начинаем. Anna was in Brighton for the weekend. At 6 o'clock, she went into a small cafe near her hotel. She ordered coffee and sat by the window. A few minutes later, she heard a man behind her say, "I think that's Anna." Another man asked, "Are you sure?" "Pretty sure. She's staying at the Cotton Hotel." Итак, фраза Are you sure? Ты уверен? Очень простая и очень частая. Are you sure? И ответ Pretty sure. Почти уверен. Pretty sure. Anna kept listening. Do you have the key? Yes. And the suitcase? It's in the car. We need to do it before 8. Why? Because she'll be back by then. Then Anna heard. Don't tell her. She mustn't find out. She mustn't find out. She mustn't find out. Она не должна узнать. She mustn't find out. Anna stood up and walked towards the door. Then she heard, "Excuse me." One of the men was holding her scarf. She dropped this. "Thank you," Anna said. She took the scarf. Then the man looked at her and asked, "Sorry, are you Anna?" Anna froze. "How do you know my name?" The man paused. "Sorry, I made a mistake." You dropped this. Вы это уронили. You dropped this. Глагол drop здесь означает уронить. Drop. Anna called the hotel. "Has anyone asked about me today?" "No, Miss Petrova." Then the receptionist added, "But there was a problem with your room." "What problem?" "Maintenance had to go in." Anna stopped. "Into my room?" "Yes, but don't worry, everything is under control." Everything is under control. Everything is under control. Все под контролем. Полезная фраза, возьмем ее на заметку. Anna's phone rang. Unknown number. She didn't answer. Then a message appeared. "Anna, please call me back. It's important." A second message came. "Please don't go back to the hotel yet." Anna looked up. Across the street she saw the man from the cafe. He looked at her and started walking towards her. "Don't go back to the hotel." Не возвращайтесь в отель. Don't go back to the hotel. Anna walked away. The man followed her. "Anna, wait!" She turned around. "Why are you following me?" "Please, just look at this." He showed her a photo on his phone. Anna looked at it and froze. It was an old photo of Anna. She was about 20 years old. Next to her was another young woman. Anna whispered, "Lucy?" The man smiled. "Yes, Lucy is my sister." She turned around. Она обернулась. She turned around. Lucy had found Anna online a few months earlier. She knew Anna was coming to Brighton. Lucy was also coming to England, so she decided to surprise her. The man in the cafe were Lucy's brother and her husband. The suitcase was Lucy's. The key was for a private room in Anna's hotel. They were preparing a surprise party. Don't tell her, because it was a surprise. She mustn't find out. For the same reason, Anna looked at the man. And the message? Don't go back to the hotel? He smiled. Lucy wasn't there yet. Anna started laughing. And someone went into my room? Your shower was leaking. Anna stared at him. That's it? That's it. That's it. Вот и все. That's it. 20 minutes later, Anna entered a dark room in the hotel. Suddenly, surprise! The lights came on. Lucy was standing in the middle of the room. Anna looked at her old friend and laughed. You nearly gave me a heart attack. Lucy hugged her. I missed you. Если вам пока трудно понимать такие истории на слух, посмотрите мое видео «Как начать понимать английский на слух». Там мы разбираем, как перестать цепляться за каждое отдельное слово и начать слышать смысл целиком. Ну а следующая наша история начнется с одного сообщения. Don't get on that train. Don't get on that train. Как вы думаете, о чем она будет? Напишите в комментариях.